Hi, I'm Bruce Aubrey, Product Manager for Heating Products for Hayward Pool Products. This is our Universal 8 Series heater we're going to talk about today. Some of the features on it from a value, performance, and flexibility. Value, standard Cooper nickel heat exchanger. Value of $100, $200 compared to competitors' products. Longer life, reliable heating performance for the heart of the heat exchanger. And from a value perspective, it's unprecedented in the industry. No one else has a standard Cooper nickel heat exchanger. From a reliability perspective, forced draft combustion, reliable heating, any weather conditions, high wind, snow, rain. And from flexibility, left and right plumbing, left and right gas hookup, and left and right electrical makes installation on any pad configuration